Welcome to Protohaus. So this is the tiny Protohaus. It's 22 feet long and 8.5 feet wide on the outside. It is 17 by 7.5 on the inside. So here we're at the front entrance of Protohaus. Right in the area of the front door, it's flanked by 2 closets, ample storage for clothing and personal goods, and additional storage space above. There's also a window up above to increase the ventilation and light in the loft area. In an effort to cut down on our electric usage, we decided to use as much propane-sourced appliances as we possibly could. Our refrigerator is a refrigerator built for an RV. One of the benefits of this refrigerator is that it's primarily on propane to cool it. Additionally, we have our RV 3-burner propane stove. Works great. It's small, fits into the space, and also allows for extra storage around and below it. So one of the things that was really important in developing Protohaus was to be green, if you will. And one thing we chose to do was not just using sustainable materials, but actually recycling used products. So this tabletop was a professional kitchen stainless steel tabletop. The sink came from Habitat for Humanity Restore, as well as the faucet. So we were able to utilize some recycled elements right here. Some of the other things we did in the building process for Protohaus to be environmentally conscious were things like using soy-based spray foam as the insulation in our walls, as well as using either reclaimed wood from other construction sites and building projects or FSC certified woods. The floors of the Protohaus are oak, which we were lucky to have left over from the construction of the house I grew up in. The exterior of Protohaus is 22 by 8.5 feet. The interior square footage is about 125 square feet, plus an additional sleeping loft, which is up above us here. The sleeping loft is about 9 feet by 7.5. It's a really comfortable and breezy place to sleep with open windows and lots of light. In the bathroom area of the Protohaus, we have an electrical closet which houses all of our solar power equipment, as well as a composting toilet which helps us reduce our water usage. You'll also see the shower, which is special because the shower basin itself is also a gray water container. So here we are at the solar panels for the Protohaus. We are primarily on solar energy here in the Protohaus. It's good because it's flexible and transportable and makes our energy system very usable. So this is our battery bank for the Protohaus. The solar panels are wired into our electric box, and then the energy comes out to the batteries to be stored and then runs back into the house to be converted from DC to AC. So one of the really exciting things about Protohaus is that it's actually built on top of a trailer bed. The trailer bed allows the house to be mobile, so we can take it anywhere we want to go. As you can see, we designed a spacious front porch for our Protohaus that would allow us an outdoor setting where we could enjoy the shade and chat with our neighbors. Protohaus is more than just a house. It's a place to examine how we live and why we live that way. It's also a place to examine the social, political, ecological impact of the way we live and the choices we make in how we live. Alfred University and the New York State College of Ceramics are really an ideal place for me to do this project right now, because not only in the next school year there's the Visiting Artist series that's all artists working with issues of sustainability and environmental politics, but also because Alfred is a place where I'm not stuck in my art department. It's a place where I've been encouraged to reach out and work with other students and professors in engineering as well as in environmental science. I've also worked a lot with different people in the facilities, different people throughout the administration, and everyone has been so helpful to me. Additionally, this is really a place that's about environmentalism in a lot of ways. People here are concerned about their impact on the world, on, you know, social equality and all these different issues. So I really think it's an ideal place to do this project.